Oh my God, you saw me on top of the car, right? I was taking pictures, videos, I was feeling myself, I was on top of the world. Like Christmas in Yaoundé was big.
Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her
Hi
King.
guys, good morning. How are you guys doing? Oh my God, yeah, arise and shine. I'm making noise and my son is sleeping right beside me, guys. And if he wakes up, I'm dead because I have some things that I need to do this morning while he's still sleeping. And guys, my son is not feeling well. Yeah, Ronel, not Hanel. Ronel is not feeling well. He has some rashes on his body that has caused him to have temperature, though I've given him some Ferrigan and some other medications because I had to consult the doctor for that. I thought it was heat rash, but it's not heat rash. Yeah, it has one funny name like that. So, but anyways, that has been taken care of. I started giving him his medication and they equally gave him some medicated liquid soap, which I started using yesterday. So guys, this vlog, I just said let me start it here. It's going to be like last minute preparation for Christmas, and it's just going to be a vlog showing you here and there. I have so many things to do, especially today. Yeah guys, yesterday we made our chin chin. I'm going to show you guys. Even though light did not allow us to film the whole process because it rained heavily here yesterday in Yaoundé. Oh guys, I'm in Yaoundé. Oh my God, there's so many things I'm revealing to you guys in this video. Anyways, I'm going to give you guys an update, better update. I don't know if I should insert the preparation process here or not, or I should just cancel it that we didn't make changing. Oh my God, so today I'm going to the market to buy one or two things. Yeah, so that's it. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a nice day, guys. Hi guys, good evening. Wow, look at that Christmas tree. Our Christmas tree has already been decorated. I was rushing that maybe I will come when they have not yet decorated the Christmas tree and now film, but sorry, that's the Christmas tree. Look at that. I think they're still going to add one or two things there. I don't know. Yeah, so I left Tico when they had not yet decorated the Christmas tree in our house in Tico, and I'm here in Yaoundé, and they have already decorated the tree. I'm not lucky. But anyways, guys, I just said let me show you guys how the tree looks like. I'm going to give you guys proper video to show you how it looks like. Guys, today I'm not just feeling well. Not that I'm not feeling well. I'm not just myself. I'm so down. Oh my God. I don't know if it's because my son is not well. He's not well. Yeah, he's been sick since Monday. And I'm feeling so down. Everything to me today is just like, I'm not motivated to do anything. All the plans that I had for today, I didn't do any. Christmas to you guys. How are you guys doing? What are you guys up to? What's on your menu? Okay, because mine, you guys will see. All right. So today is Christmas, 25th of December. Everyone is behind the house cooking right now. I just excuse myself to say hi. Hello. Hi. Guys, I just finished doing my laundry. I'm going to talk to you guys later, okay? So, see you.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. Oh, bring us a figgy pudding. Oh, bring us a figgy pudding. Oh, bring us a figgy pudding and a cup of good cheer. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. So bring some out here. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Guys, so we are almost done with the cooking. I'm currently frying chicken. Look at that. Can you see that? I'm frying it. There's the last batch, and then that's that. Boil rice, of course. guys, I'm going out. Look at my outfit. Tell me, what do you guys think? We're going for a birthday party. Oh, it's not easy being a mom, trying to prepare for the kids and for myself. Like, I had to change his t-shirt and jacket. Let him be a bit, relaxed. Okay, guys, so talk to you guys later. Catch you guys when we are at the party, okay? In case I don't talk to you guys in the party, I'll talk to you guys in the house. Like, it's not been easy. I have a lot to say.
Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room. And heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing. Joy to the world, the Savior reigns. Let men their songs employ, while fields and floods, rocks, hills and plains repeat the sounding joy. Repeat the sounding joy. Repeat, repeat the sounding joy. No more let sins and sorrows grow, nor thorns infest the ground. He comes to make his blessings flow, for as the curse is found, for as the curse is found, for as the curse is.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hi guys, good morning. How are you guys doing? Guys, today is Boxing Day, or is it Boxing Day or Box Day? And today is 26th of December, and yes guys, yesterday was Christmas. Okay, so if you're watching this part, that means you're almost towards the end, so thank you very much. Guys, yesterday I came back home very tired, super tired, and I could not end the vlog, so I just said, hey, why not talk to you guys before I end this vlog? Actually, let me be honest, I was actually editing this video. Then I realized that, hey, I just left you guys hanging like that. So let me come here and talk to you, my paddy. All right. Yesterday, I could not talk to you guys because I was super tired. My day was so pumped up, busy. From assisting my mother-in-law in cooking to helping her in decorating the Christmas tree. Again, she asked me to add some balloons on the Christmas tree, which I did. And then had to prepare the kids for the Christmas picture taking and the rest. My God, guys, let me take a moment to talk about taking photos for kids. It's not easy. Like, it is not easy. I remember taking pictures yesterday for my kids just made me to remember my days at Legend Studios. Yes, I used to work at a photo studio in Boya. For those of you that went to UB, it's a famous place, Legend Studios, Moliko. I used to work there, and days like this during Christmas and New Year, like, we usually close at 2 a.m. taking pictures and family pictures. And one of my worst, I prefer to sit down and do what, edit pictures rather than taking pictures, because on that day, oh my God, you are going to have extra waist pain. You're going to have back pain. Everywhere will be aching. So yesterday just made me to remember my days at Leisure Studios. It's not easy taking pictures for the kids. So I had to take pictures for the kids. And then my father-in-law said we should go out. Yes, they invited him for a birthday party. One of his friends had a birthday party, so he said, let's go out as a family. So on our way, guys. Oh my God, you saw me on top of the car, right? I was taking pictures, videos. I was feeling myself. I was on top of the world. Like Christmas in Yaoundé was big. Christmas with my in-law was exciting. Yes, yeah. So it was a fruitful day. I am so happy to spend Christmas with my in-laws. It was the first time in 6 years since I left Cameroon. This is my first Christmas after 6 years. Guys, yesterday I couldn't even drink anything alcohol because, as you know, my doctor stopped me from taking alcohol, okay? Because of my eye, the medication that I'm taking for my eye and this hand. So I was stopped. That no alcohol for me, so my body is just sweet, juicier. So yes, if you haven't watched the video about my eye, where I talk about my eye and my visitation to the hospital, just go and check it out. I will leave it somewhere. I'll leave it up here or in the description box. Go and check it out, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for coming along with me on this Christmas journey. I love and appreciate you guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe, hit that notification bell. And for my returning subscribers, thank you for your love and support. Guys, I forgot, on the 24th was my dad's birthday, 76th birthday. I did a video, you know, I just brought my brothers and sisters all over the world together. They made a short video, you know, wishing my dad happy birthday. I think if you want to see that video, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to leave it. I'm going to drop it after this one. I love my dad so much. Happy birthday, Dad. Oh my God, he means the world to me. I'm always so excited on the 24th of December. Not because it's almost Christmas, it's because of my dad's birthday. Even though this year I was my energy level was low because my son was sick and I didn't feel like doing anything, like I told you guys in the video. God, but I'm so tired. I'm looking at my room right now. It's a hot mess. A mess that I cannot even show you guys, but I will. When I rest after publishing this video, I'm going to fix up my room and then just relax. Okay, yeah, it's not been easy. Okay, so till next time, it's bye-bye.